How to enroll and complete the registration procedure.
After you complete the registration payment, our coordinator will be sending you an online application form link. So you just click on the link and fill your personal details according to your NIC or passport. Please make sure you have to upload the NIC or passport images, otherwise you can't complete the process. After the completion of the student application form, you will be getting a reference number on your screen. You simply copy that reference number and send it to your coordinator.
How to verify email and set up password.
You will be receiving an email to verify your email and set up password. You just simply click on that verify email and you can set up a new password. You can provide a password to the LMS platform. Create your password that contains 8 characters and a number and also a special character as well. After you providing a password, you just click confirm and continue. So you will be directed to the LMS platform login interface. So as you can see on the screen, you can type the password you provided and just sign in.
How to check programs you enrolled and modules to be covered.
As you can see, this is the LMS platform dashboard. You can find your name and modules to be covered and program you enrolled as well on your right side top corner.
How to check your admission number, OTHM learner registration number, and personal details.
On My Profile tab, you can find your Summerset admission number and your personal datas and OTHM registration number as well.
How to check student policy and refund policy.
On the student policy tab, you can find our refund policy and privacy policy and remote classroom policy as well. So if you click the link, you will be able to see the policies step by step.
How to check your performance in academic. Internal evaluation results and grades conducted by Summerset campus.
On the My Performance tab, you can find your internal evaluation result and grades conducted by Summerset campus module by module. So you can check the credits and grades here.
How to check your program status module-wise. Lecture, assignments, and attendance.
On the Course Overview tab, you can find your batch code and access the lecture schedule, assignments, and attendance module by module. So you can see the modules here, and if you select the view, you are able to see the details inside. Under the lectures tab, there is an option called live lectures. So you can take a look on your monthly lecture schedule in this tab.
How to check your monthly program schedule, join to live lectures, and view lecture recording.
Please note the live session will be unlocked only during your scheduled lecture time and date. Until that time, it's locked. And if you select the particular date, you can view the details such as lecturer name, time, and the recording as well. If you select the recording option, you will be able to see all the recording on your live lecture.
How to check your ongoing and upcoming assignments.
You can find the ongoing and upcoming assignments in the assignment tab. Please note the assignment duration will be 30 days, that's 1 month. And please consider the start date and also the end date. And submit your assignment on time. After you complete the assignments before the deadline, you have to upload the assignment file. So our academic department will check your assignments such as AI percentage and the plagiarism. And if they accept the assignments, you will be receiving a notification via WhatsApp or email. If they reject the assignments, you will be receiving a notification that the assignment was rejected, and you have to resubmit the assignment on the LMS.
How to check your attendance to the live lectures.
Under the attendance tab, you can find your attendance to the live lectures via LMS platform. Please note the attendance will be calculated only if you join through the LMS platform.
How to check your upcoming payments with the deadline. Pay online through LMS or submit the payment receipt to the LMS.
Under the payment tab, you can check your upcoming payments and also the completed payments with the due date. If you select view, you can see all the details about your payments, example total amount, payment type, due date, discount, and as you can see on the screen, you can see all the details about the payment. If you want to do the payment online using your debit or credit card, you can pay through the LMS platform. If you select pay online, you will be directed to the online payment platform. So as you can see on the screen, you can select pay online. So you will be directed to your online payment bank website. If you already did the payment using bank deposit, simply you can upload the receipt directly to the LMS. The payment will be approved by our accounts department as soon as possible after the verifications. In this notification tab, you can see the notification of your activities such as your LMS through the LMS platform.
Summerset Campus. Connect life and learning.